Hello, sir.
Hey,
Hi, nice to meet you.
all right.
Andrew.
Pierre.
Alright, so what can I help you?
Hmm?
You have the key, you lost your key, you got the key?
Just I need the key with
With
the remote, for example, like
I know, I got you like that.
exactly, yeah.
Okay. We'll see now. Perfect. And all good. Yes.
All done.
All done. All right.
All right, thank you.
So are you can be in TikTok?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Your name.
In TikTok? Let me show you.